Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1974 C3 Corvette Stingray for sale. This car has 54,000 original miles on it. This car has been fully restored. We've rebuilt the engine, the transmission, and the rear end. It has brand new stainless exhaust, new brakes, new tires. Car starts right up. See, the oil pressure comes right up where it's supposed to be. Go ahead and pop the hood here. This car is ready to go. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.